Computer Guess Paper 2023 ninth class Computer Guess. Short question Unit 1. Define problem solving. What do you mean by well-defined problem? What do you know about understanding the problem or analyzing a problem? What do you mean by planning a solution? Mention strategies for problem solving. Define algorithm and flowchart. What is the purpose of oval shape or terminal shape symbol in flowchart? What is the purpose of input and output symbol of flowchart? What is the purpose of rectangle symbol in flowchart? Draw a flowchart to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit temperature. Draw a flowchart to determine whether a given number is odd or even. What is the role of algorithm in problem solving? What is test data? Give example. Compare verification and validation. What are the disadvantages of flowchart? Long question from Unit 1. What are problem solving steps? How do you determine the requirements of flowchart? Explain the symbols used in flowchart in detail. Define algorithm. Argue on its role and importance. Short question from Unit 2. Difference between volatile and non-volatile memory. What is number system? Difference between binary decimal and hexadecimal binary number system. What is computer memory? Also write its types. What is storage device? What is difference between internal and external storage? What is ASCII? What is Boolean proposition? Give some examples. What is truth table? What is AND operation? What is OR operation? What is NOT operation? What is truth table for complex Boolean expression? Long question from Unit 2. Convert 69610 base 10 to hexadecimal. Convert ABCD base 16 to binary. Differentiate between volatile and non-volatile memory. Differentiate between temporary and permanent storage. Short question from Unit 3. Define computer network. What is network and networks? What is client? What is server? What is network topology? Mention its types. What is data communication? Mention its component. What is sender? What is the difference between static and dynamic IP? Describe the working of web browser. What is the advantage of user communication on networks? What is data transmission? What is TCP over IP model? Define HTTP and SMTP. What is IP address? What is router? Write advantages and disadvantages of star topology and bus topology. Define communication channel. Long question from Unit 3. What is TCP or IP model? Describe the 5 layers with their function. What is the size of IPv4 and IPv6? Explain the method to calculate the size of both standards. Define computer networks model. Explain its any 3 layers. Explain routing process in detail. What is data? Explain components of communication system. Short questions from Unit 4. Give a reason to edit CAPTCHA. What do you mean by privacy of data? Define privacy. What do you mean by confidentiality of data? Give example. What do you mean by software privacy? What do you know about copyright law? What is cracking key? What is computer virus? What is secret code or key? Who is hacker? What is difference between cryptographic keys and password? Write any 2 characteristics of good password. What is cybercrime? Describe its activities. What is hacking? What is the use of cookies? What do you mean by computerized system? Long questions from Unit 4. Give the reason to edit CAPTCHA on website. What is cybercrime? Explain its steps. What is phishing attack? Write 3 characteristics of phishing email. What is meant by encryption? Also explain the importance of everyday life on the internet. short questions from Unit 5. Differentiate between order and unordered list. What is the difference between hyperlink and anchor? What do you know about HTML? Define hypertext. What is the role of HTML? Name the types of list in HTML. What is the use of hyperlinks? How we create web page using HTML. Differentiate paired and singular tags. What are the attributes in HTML? What is text formatting? Which tag is used for adding image? What is metadata? Explain step involved to create a HTML page. Long question Unit 5. Write down the procedure to create a web page and display it. How would you edit image and set background to a web page? What is the difference between hyperlinks and anchor? Write down the procedure to create table. Good luck with your exam. Thank you for watching. If you want more, then subscribe this channel.